Good afternoon. I've been waiting for ages.
Good afternoon, sir. My sincerest apologies for the delay. Welcome to the Good Food Restaurant.
Yeah, a friend recommended this place. Said you serve excellent dishes.
Your friend has excellent taste, sir. While we may be new, we're quickly gaining a reputation.
Can I see a menu, please? I'm starving and have no idea what to order.
Of course. Here's the menu. But may I suggest today's special? It's something extraordinary.
Oh, what's the special? It's my first time here.
Today's special is the gourmet margarita pizza, with fresh basil, mozzarella, and vine-ripened tomatoes.
Gourmet margarita pizza, huh? That's intriguing. I'll pass for now and check the menu. Decisions. Waiter, I'm ready to order, please.
I apologize for the delay, sir. What can I get for you?
I'll start with a healthy, Mediterranean quinoa salad, and a glass of refreshing water, please.
A wise choice, sir. We also have a zesty chicken salad option.
Zesty chicken salad it is. And just plain water, please, no ice. Can you make it quick? I'm really hungry.
I'll be right back with your order.
This water is amazing. I was parched. Let me try this salad. The tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce are so fresh, it's a healthy delight. I don't think this will suffice. I might need a main dish. I'll call the waiter for more advice. Waiter, over here, please.
How can I assist you, sir?
I'm trying to eat healthy, but I think I need a main course now. Any recommendations?
Certainly, sir. We have some excellent main dishes. Let me help you decide.
The grilled veggie stack sounds tempting, but maybe something lighter.
We have a simpler hamburger with just meat, fried eggs, and tomatoes. May I suggest that?
That sounds perfect. A simple hamburger with a touch of mayonnaise, please.
How about trying our special drink instead of soda?
What's in it? I'm trying to watch my diet.
It contains pineapple juice, syrup, sugar, and a touch of Peruvian pisco. It's delightful.
Sounds great, but I'll stick with soda. I need to be good. Please make it quick. I'm famished. That burger was beyond expectations. Something special about it, right?
Well, it's our secret recipe, sir. We can't reveal it, I'm afraid.
No worries. It's fantastic. And this special drink is terrific too. Can I have the bill, please? I'm ready to settle up.
Certainly, sir. Your total comes to $115.
Great. I'll pay with my credit card and leave a generous tip for your exceptional service.
Thank you very much, sir. We look forward to having you back soon.
Of course, I'll be a regular here. This is the best restaurant in the city.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.